Everybody, my name is Leonel Arisa from Secar. I'm going to prepare the Chaufa rice from Peru. It's a dish from Peru. Delicious recipe from Peru. This is a tasty Peruvian recipe. The blending of Peruvian and Chinese Caribbean culture because many of them were tiny culinary establishments that produce good influences by both cultures. We are going to prepare this delicious Peruvian dish. Let's cook. Chaufa rice preparation: 300 grams of white rice, 1 chicken breast, 1 fresh sausage optional, 1 half red bell pepper, 4 eggs, 4 Chinese onions, 1 teaspoon, grated ginger, sunflower oil, a tablespoon of olive oil, 125 millimeters of soy sauce. We cook the rice until it is all crispy or quite firm. This is significant since the rice will be fried all the combination of the process. And a little kilo of fire, combine the water and rice in a mixing bowl. When it begins to boil, remove the rice for 4 minutes to allow the water to evaporate. When there are no water bubbles on the surface, the rice will reduce to heat to 3 degrees Celsius, neither the lowest nor the highest setting, and cover the pan. Allow for 14 minutes. My advice is to cook the rice without salt, then we'll add soy sauce. We add salt to the dish. The red pepper and Chinese onion should be washed and chopped and peeled, and grate the ginger and set it aside in a bowl. Whisk the eggs together with a wok or failing that a frying pan. Add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil and heat it. Make an omelette using the eggs, which is really hot. Remove on the tortilla, slide it, and set it aside. 2 more teaspoons sunflower oil and the grated ginger and the chopped chicken after it is extremely heated. If you wish to add fresh sausage, it adds a fantastic flavor. If required, we add a bit more sunflower oil and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. When the oil gets on enough again, mix in the pepper and Chinese onions. Fried beef is also included. Cook stirring regularly over high heat until the veggies begin to brown. When biting them, you must retain its hardness. We combine the chicken, the keep rice, and the sauce. We cook the wok over high heat without stopping to ensure that the flavor blend. We finish adding the tortilla and incorporate it with remaining ingredients. At the present, we offer the chopper rice extremely hot. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Leonel Laurisa Valen from Secar.